Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about understand the similarities between receipts and payments account and cash book. In the previous class, we learned that what is meant by receipts and payments account and what are the items should be recorded in the receipts and payments account, and it is a summary of cash and bank book, cash cash account and bank account for a year. It contains all cash receipts, whatever the cash coming to organization, incoming cash is recorded. Whatever the payments are done by organization, cash payments are recorded. Both capital and revenue items are recorded in receipts and payments account. It means receipts and payments acts as same as cash book. What cash book will do? Which transactions means irrespective of the year, whatever the cash is coming to the organization should be recorded on debit side, whatever going outside should be recorded on credit side. The same as receipts and payments also same as cash book, irrespective of the year. Okay. Known to unknown. What is cash book? How it is prepared? Distinguish between receipts and payments account and cash book. See here similarities of receipts and payments account and cash book. So what are the similarities? See here receipts and payments account is prepared by non-trading organizations. It is prepared by non-trading organizations. Cash book is prepared by both trading and non-trading currencies. See here receipts and payments account is prepared by non-trading concerns, means non-trading organization. Receipts and payments account should be prepared by non-trading organizations. Whereas cash book means cash account is prepared by both trading and non-trading concerns. Cash book means it contains all cash transactions irrespective of the year. Whether cash is coming inside, it should be debited, and whether cash is going outside from the organization, it should be credited. Receipts and payments account is a part of double entry bookkeeping system. It is a part of double entry bookkeeping system. Already we know double entry bookkeeping system. Cash book is also a part of double entry bookkeeping system. The similarities, see here, receipts and payments account is a summary of cash book prepared by a certain period, prepared for a certain period. Certain means particular period or particular accounting period, particular financial year. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash. Summary means a bulk of cash, a group of cash transactions. Okay, whether received or paid. Cash book is a record of all cash transactions. Receipts and payments account is divided into two sides. One is debit and second one is credits. Cash book also divided into two sides, debit and credit. All cash receipts appear on the left hand side in the receipts and payments account. All cash receipts means getting the cash from outside. Same as cash book also. All cash receipts appear on left side. Receipts and payments account, all cash payments appears on right side. All appears on right side means payment side. Whereas in cash book also, whatever the payments done by the organization, it should be recorded in the credit side, right side. All records, all receipts and payments, revenue or capital, whatever it may be, irrespective of the nature, it should be recorded in receipts and payments account. Same as cash book also done like. Receipts and payments account has only cash column. Cash book has 2 or 3 columns, as only cash book 2 or 3 columns to record cash transaction, bank transaction. It's called as a 3 column cash book, like that. It eliminates receipts and payments account eliminates contra entries by merging cash and bank items. Whereas contra should be in cash book. Receipts and payments account begins with opening balances. Already we discussed in the previous classes. Receipts and payments account should be starting with opening balance of cash in hand and with bank, and closing with cash and bank. Cash book also begins with opening balance of cash in hand and at bank. Receipts and payments account debit balances shows cash in hand and bank. Cash book debit balance shows actual cash in hand. Receipts and payment account credit balance shows bank overdraft, whereas cash book credit balance also shows bank overdraft. These are the similarities. This is a summary. Receipts and payments account is similar to cash book. Receipts and payments account is a summary of a cash book prepared for a certain period, whereas cash book is record of all cash transactions. See here, quiz. In non-trading organizations or concerns, summary of cash book is termed as. Already we know what is meant by summary of cash means all transactions of cash book, whether it is payment or receipts. The first one is profit and loss account. Second one is receipts and payments account. Third one is balance sheet. Fourth one is none of them. See here, a profit and loss account. It is prepared by trading organization. So this is not right answer. Receipts and payments account. Yeah, okay. It is prepared by non-trader, and it contains all cash summary transactions. So it is the right answer. Balance sheet. It is not right answer. None of the above. Not right answer. Only B is the right answer. That is receipts and payments account. Coming to second one, in trading concerns, cash book is prepared to know the cash or bank balance on hand, value of goods, value of fixed assets, none of them. A, cash or bank balance on hand. Cash book with the 2 columns is called single column cash book, double column cash book. Petty cash book, none of the above. 2 columns is a double column cash book. Receipts and payments account includes all expense of capital and revenue, nature of past, present, future. True or false? A. True. Next, see here, once again I am repeating. What are the similarities? Means same of receipts and payments account and cash book. The only the names are different, but the nature of both accounts are same. Okay. Receipts and payments account are prepared by non-trading organization. Next, cash transactions. Cash book is prepared by trading organization, by trader. Okay. Receipts and payments account is a part of double entry bookkeeping. Is a part of double entry bookkeeping. For every transactions, you should insert two items. Cash book also a part of double entry bookkeeping. It follows the same. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash book. It is a summary of cash book prepared for a certain period. It is prepared for a certain summary. It means a group of, means a bulk, a group of cash transactions for a certain period. Okay. Cash book is a record of cash transactions, all cash transactions, whether it is receipt or payment, whatever it may be. Receipts and payments account is divided into two sides, where it is debit side and credit side. Same as cash book also it is in a tabular form. It is divided into two sides, it is debit and credit. The similarity, see here, continued. Receipts and payments account, all cash receipts are appear on left hand side. All cash transactions should be appeared in left hand side in the receipts and payments. Coming to cash book, all cash receipts appear on the debit side or left hand side. Okay, both follows the same side. Next, receipts and payments account, all cash payments appear on right hand side. All cash payments appear on right hand side. Means payment side, means credit side. Same cash book also for payments. We should record the transaction on credit side. Receipts and payments account record all receipts and payments of revenue and capital in nature. Receipts and payments account records all transactions irrespective of whether it is a revenue item, whether it is a capital item. No need to worry. It records all types of items, revenue item and capital. Same as cash book, irrespective of the year, all transactions should be recorded in the cash book. The receipts and payments account has only cash column. Receipts and payments has only cash column, whether we received or not, that is the matter. The cash book, 2 or 3 columns to record cash transactions. 2 column cash book, that cash transaction, bank transaction, whereas coming to 3 column, in addition to cash and bank, discount column should be added. Okay. It eliminates contra entry by merging cash and bank items. Whereas cash book entries contra transactions are there. Receipts and payments account begins with opening cash balance and bank. Next, cash account also begins with balance of cash in hand and bank. Receipts and payments account debit balance shows cash in hand and bank. Okay. Cash book balance shows actual cash in hand. How much cash is there, present, exist. Okay. Receipts and payments account credit balance shows overdraft, bank overdraft. Cash book credit balance shows bank overdraft. Summary here. Receipts and payments account is similar to the cash book, means it is the same as, both are same, only the words using are different. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash book prepared for a certain period, only for a whereas cash book is record of all transactions. Okay. Next, see here quiz. In non-trading concerns, summary of cash book is termed as, summary of cash means receipts or payments, whatever it may be, all transactions should be recorded in cash book. As same as receipts and payments account is a correct answer. B. In trading concerns means organization, cash book is prepared. Why cash book will be prepared? To know the cash or bank balance on hand. A is the correct answer. Cash book with two columns is called A single column cash book, B double column cash book, C petty cash book, or none of the above. B is the right answer. Means double column cash book means two columns. One is for cash and second one for bank. Receipts and payments account includes all expenses of capital and revenue, nature of past, present or future. A is true. Next, frequently asked questions. What is receipts and payments account? Write any two similarities between cash book and receipts and payments account. Like that. Okay. With this, we know that what are the similarities between receipts and payments account and cash book. Only the difference is between they are prepared by different organizations. In trading organization they prepare cash book. In non-trading organization they prepare receipts and payments account. That is the only difference. But nature is same. Okay, you should remember that point. Irrespective of the year, transactions will be recorded. Okay, thank you.